So you know that feeling when one big update makes a big splash and then another one comes in and kind of outruns it? This is exactly what's happened. If you care about engaging, mobile-friendly e-learning experiences, you're going to want to hear this update. If you've been with me a while, you may have seen the update on Articulate Storyline, where you're allowed to incorporate more customizable hotspots. Before it was just kind of one size fits all. Now you can play around and do more with it. Well, now with this update, it's with Rise, which is also part of Articulate. But if you don't know much about Articulate, Rise is better for mobile-friendly courses. It's a lot easier to create e-learning if you've never done it before. Whereas Storyline is more about customization, really creating e-learning from scratch, adding your own layers and triggers, etc. So today I'm going to show you the cool update on Rise, and just to show you that it does make a big difference, just like the update on Articulate 360, but this one is kind of better. No, I didn't say that. So do you want to hear the cool update with Rise that I really love and I want to share with you guys? So if you've used Rise before, you see there's lots of different blocks, and you'll see there's different new options. Of course, the new AI features are there to us to use, but also we have really cool options when it comes to audio. So on Rise, you'll see we can add audio files onto videos, but we can also add audio files onto hotspots. So it means when someone clicks an image, you'll see hotspot labels on there. You can click on that hotspot label and play audio files. This is really, really good, and make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you how you can implement this in real life examples. To open up Rise, have a look at our templates. So these examples are specifically micro learning, so really short bite-sized learning. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this example here, which is about 5 tips for better naps. Lovely topic, great for micro learning and small learning elements. So obviously if you've used Rise before, you will understand that you can check this on different types of devices. For example, mobile device, tablet, desktop device, etc. So now what you can do is you can go on to any image with the pen button and you can edit the image and text. We've got options to replace the image. We can use AI as well. We can also crop and upload other images. But what we want to do is we want to go down to the bottom where you see audio. So when you click on the audio button, you'll see there is an option for AI audio. Depending on what plan you're on, you can upgrade and use that. But what you can do, you can record audio, your own voice if you want to, and then it will record and upload straight away, or you can add your own audio file and click upload. So you see here I recorded my own voice, and now there's an audio file on top of that video that you can play. But the update that I really want to show you is the audio on hotspot button. So what I've done is I've gone to interactive on the blocks and clicked on labeled graphic. So there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same image that's already in this e-learning of this lady sleeping. I'm going to add the hotspot labels on there and use similar text. Audio website you prefer to use to get your audio from, or your own audio, whatever you prefer. What you can do is you can click on the image, you can click on the labeled graphic, and you'll see lots of options. You can pick marker style, you can pick media, and now audio. This is brand new, so this is a really great update to make use of, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. So learners can simply click the hotspot label, play audio, no coding, no layering, it's all done that quickly. So you'll see now we've got one audio file on one hotspot and not an audio file on the other. And again, always test it to see how it is on mobile devices, desktop devices, and all types of devices, just to see it really is kind of user friendly. So what do you guys think? Really cool, huh? So I'm going to give you a couple of examples of how you may use this yourself. Language learning being a really good example. So with language learning, it's great because not only can you have an image, let's say it's a kitchen and you want to use pronunciation with words of items in the kitchen in Spanish or English, you could have the user click on the hotspot and then hear the pronunciation. So you're not only getting the visual, you're also getting the auditory as well. With medical, you could teach the learner some terminology, then have audio to practice the pronunciation of that terminology, especially if they've never heard of the word before. And it's great for accessibility, especially when it comes to auditory and visual learners. Having audio paired with visual cues really helps with retention. And because it's Rise, it's mobile friendly by default. It could even be great for tutorials, if you want to have hotspot labels of specific elements. And it's great for software or app updates. You could show an interface with clickable hotspots where each one explains a tool or button via audio, emphasize specific specific areas, explain the instructions in more detail, just have a bit of text on hotspot label and then more in depth on the audio. It's great for breaking down lots of information into small digestible chunks. So what do you guys think? Do you think it makes a difference with the new update on Rise? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys did like this update, you may appreciate some of my digital products. I actually recently launched a new course, Beyond Animation. So if you are into e-learning or training videos, then definitely check it out below. Lots of courses coming your way and lots more digital products as well. Don't forget to give this video a like if you did like it. Subscribe for more weekly updates. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good one.